Come over. To visit someone at their place, usually their home. Come over to my house today. He didn't come over because it was raining. Own up. To admit that you did something wrong. It's okay to make mistakes, just own up. He owned up and said, "It was me." Kick out. To force someone to leave a place, like a room, house, school, or group. He was kicked out of the class for talking too much. She kicked me out of her room. Don't do anything wrong, or they will kick you out. Put aside. To save something for later. I put aside some money for my trip. He put aside some cake for his brother. Rip off. To cheat someone by charging too much money. I was ripped off at that restaurant. She ripped me off with a fake product. Bump into. To meet someone by chance or unexpectedly, usually in a public place. I bumped into my school friend after many years. I bumped into my old neighbor at the bus stop. Go after. To chase or follow someone or something. To try to achieve or obtain something, like a goal or opportunity. The police went after the robber. I went after my dog in the park. Don't just wait. Go after what you want. Keep away. To stay at a distance from something or someone, usually for safety, or to avoid trouble. Keep away from the fire. Keep away from the dog, it bites. The teacher said to keep away from the window. Look down on. To think that you are better than someone else, or to disrespect someone. She looks down on others because she is rich. Don't look down on poor people. Read over. To read something carefully or review it, often to check for errors. Can you read over my essay before I submit it? Please read over the email before sending it. Stand out. To be very noticeable or different from others, in a good or clear way. Her red dress really stands out in the crowd. You always stand out in a group photo. Beat up. To hit or attack someone repeatedly, usually to hurt them badly. They beat me up and took my money. Stop! Don't beat him up. Burn down. To destroy something completely by fire. The old house burned down last night. The school burned down, but no one was hurt. Dry off. To make something or someone dry. She dried off her hands with a napkin. Dry off the dishes after washing them. Pay back. To return money you borrowed, or to take revenge. Can I borrow $10? I'll pay you back tomorrow. He forgot to pay me back last time. He hurt me, and I will pay him back one day. Drop out. To leave or quit school, college, or a course before finishing it. He dropped out of school at 16. He dropped out and started working.